No, so you have to hurry up because and then they'll be closing the big shop over there. So I was informed. Okay.
What's up? We're ready. We're ready.
So that was the hill we just climbed. It's 250 feet above sea level. And where we are now is the bungee line. That's the line you're seeing here. This bungee line separates the primary forest from the secondary forest. And the secondary forest starts from where we started the climbing to where we are. So the one we're about to enter now is the primary forest. And the main difference between these two forests is that the secondary forest has been used as farming activities before.
What now?
Used for farming activities before.
Okay. Right.
But the primary forest has never been charged before.
Huh.
So the secondary forest is a regenerated forest, whilst the primary forest is already generated forest.
Huh.
Also, the size of the whole park is 360 square kilometers. And it's Kakun National Park and adjacent Asin Atenanso came together as a reserve. So everything here in this forest is being protected. Due to that, you say leave nothing but your footprint. And you also take nothing but a photograph. Here in Kakun National Park, we have two main attractions. And those attractions are the nature walk and then the canopy walkway. But the nature walk is a different attraction. With the nature walk, you'll be walking through the forest with a guide, whilst he or she will be telling you some of the names of the plants, their medicinal purposes, and also their cultural values. Whilst going on the walk, you may not see the animals, because most of the animals here are said to be nocturnal, which means they mostly come out in the night. So during the daytime, you may not be able to see them. That's why I have a tree house here, and that's the signpost for the tree house. If you want to see the animals, you come and sleep in the tree house with a guide. So during the night, you and the guide will be walking through the forest with a torchlight.
What kind of animals is it?
I'll come to that. That's why I said most of the animals are active, which means some are also active during the daytime. But here is a typical forest. It's not a savanna forest. So it's so easy for the animals to hide themselves. So what's going on the walk, in case you don't see them, don't say we don't have animals here. We do have animals here. But you seeing it is the problem. Some of the animals that we do have here, we have 250 forest elephants. Yes. We have snakes, we have monkeys, we also have daikens. Daikens, they are species of antelopes. We have 300 species of birds and 600 species of butterflies. We also have leopards here.
Leopard.
Yes. But we don't have lions and tigers here. They named the forest after a river which takes its source from the forest. And that river supplies the scarecrows and its surrounding villages. The name of the river is called Kakun. We got the name Kakun from a mana monkey. It's a call of the monkey. The monkey do call Kakun, Kakun. So we named the forest after the call of the mana monkey. Then now we are about to go to the canopy walkway. It's a suspension bridge and it's also hanging. It has 7 bridges with 6 platforms. But after the first bridge, on your left we have 3 bridges. On your right we have 7. The 3 bridges are for those who are afraid of heights. So after the first bridge, and then think you can continue, then take the bypass which is on your left. And that one is only 3 bridges. So if you get to the first bridge, then you decide that to take left or right. Also, if you step on it, it will by all means shrink. It must shrink because it is hanging. But if it shrinks, that doesn't mean you are going to fall. No accident has ever happened here. If you know you are afraid of heights, don't look down. Just look straight and walk.
Don't look down. That's what some people say.
One
Right.
bridge can weigh 2 elephants, which is 8 tons. And then from the canopy to the forest floor is also 40 meters high. The bridge was constructed in 1994. The bridge was constructed in 1994 and then was commissioned in 1995 by 2 Canadians.
Don't get eaten by the lions. I'm sorry.
It took them 6 months to complete the bridge. The Canadians, they are not here, but we have 6 Ghanaians here. And the Ghanaians are the ones who do the maintenance. And then the maintenance is done every 6 months. I repeat, no accident has ever happened here, so we are all safe. I'm done. If you have any question, you can ask.
When do the snakes come out?
Some are even on top of trees. So whilst
Oh, like up there?
don't shake trees.
Don't shake the tree.
They're poisonous trees? Poisonous snakes?
Yeah, they are poisonous snakes.
Don't mind, watch out for the snakes, okay? Keep on running, run ahead, run ahead. Come on, run.
That's why I got a pin.
So you got a pen to get the snakes?
Yeah, the staff thing.
Alright, family, we just saw a few people walk ahead of us. And like they're about to do a documentary or something. I'm telling them, be careful of the lions.
Don't say that. That's gonna make me keep getting afraid of.
That's gonna scare you?
Yep.
Don't be scared. Why you so scared? Don't be
I'm
scary.
not scared of lions, but you can
What are you scared of then?
nothing.
So you ready? You ready?
I'm trying to watch out for the trees.
Okay, excellent, man.
She said don't shake the trees.
Deep in Kakun National Forest, Kakun Park. We are here on the way to the canopy. And we are enjoying the beautiful nature walk.